In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download, install, and get started with Cursor on Windows. We'll keep this simple and straightforward. First, we'll grab the installer from the official website, then walk through the setup wizard, and finally launch the app and sign in or create a free account so you can start using it right away. Let's begin with the download. Open your browser and go to the official site at cursor.com. Take a second to double check the address bar to make sure you're on the real website. You should see a secure connection indicator and the exact domain. On the homepage, look for the download option for Windows and click it. Your browser will start downloading a .exe installer. If you're asked where to save it, choose your downloads folder so it's easy to find. Allow the download to complete before moving on. Next, let's install Cursor. Open your downloads folder and double-click the installer you just downloaded. If Windows asks for permission to make changes to your device, click Yes. You may see a security prompt. As long as you downloaded the file from the official site, you can proceed confidently. The setup wizard will guide you through the process. Accept the license agreement after reviewing it, then choose your install location. The default location is usually best unless you have a specific reason to change it. Continue through any optional settings, like creating a desktop shortcut and then click Install. You'll see a progress bar while the files are copied. When it's finished, click Finish. If there's an option to launch Cursor right away, you can leave it checked. Now let's launch and sign up. If Cursor didn't open automatically, you can start it from the desktop shortcut or the Start menu. On the welcome screen, you'll be prompted to sign in or create a free account. If you already have an account, sign in using your credentials. If not, choose the option to create a free account. You'll be asked for basic information. Use a strong, unique password and follow any on-screen verification steps, such as confirming your email. Once you're signed in, Cursor may offer a brief tour or let you adjust initial preferences. Take a moment to review these options so the app is set up the way you like. And that's it. You've downloaded the Windows installer from the official site, completed the installation, and signed in or created your free account. If you run into issues, make sure your internet connection is stable, rerun the installer as an administrator, and confirm you downloaded from cursor.com. Enjoy exploring